Hey, what's up guys? It's been a while. Wala akong videos regarding mechanical stuff or jobs. So I have here this 2009 Prado 150 series, and it says here timing belt. It shows timing belt right there on the cluster display. So guys, first thing we have to do is to remove this cover. It's a bit squishy, but the best thing is 1KZ, 1KD. These engines are really easy to replace, the timing belts. I am trying not to remove this radiator hose on the top because it will get messy. So hopefully I can manage to remove this without draining the coolant. 6 bolts are out. Cover. Oh, nice. Not too bad, but it's really dusty inside of the cover. Next thing we need to do is we need to time the camshaft in the injection pump pulley. This is the one here on this engine, guys. So this is the camshaft. We can see here the slot which is here. That's the timing mark. On this side, the cover is here, is the mark. Best thing to do is to remove the cover underneath. So guys, that is the pulley crankshaft, and at the same time we inspect if there is any kind of leaking or something. So far I would say everything is dry. I put a bit of marking on the pulley and onto the cover for the timing. Make sure everything is lined up. Oh, this is the result, guys, after lining up these marks. So as I've said, this is the one from the housing of the injection pump, and this is the one from the pulley. So these are the markings. All right, we have to It is so awkward. There we go. I got the bolt and the hydraulic tensioner. Not too bad. No leaks whatsoever. Walang space. But still, the most easiest engine to, replacing the timing belt. Okay, it's out. This is our timing belt kit. Hindi siya genuine Toyota. It's not a genuine Toyota, but it is also a quality parts, which is passed on Australian standards, so no worries at all. Okay guys, so new belt in. So guys, para hindi mag-jump yung ating belt, I use these clamps sa kanyang camshaft at saka sa kanyang injection pump right there. That is our tensioner pulley. Looking good, guys. What do you reckon? Hydraulic tensioner. Make sure that the bolts are not biting. So hand tight lang siya. Hindi natin kinakailangang masira. Ang thread shouldn't be worn or stripped. Ito na, socket wrench, 10mm. It's tight, no need to torque. I don't torque it. So this clamp can go out already because it's already lined up. Looking good, guys. Now this time we have to undo the pin of this hydraulic tensioner. There you go. That's it. That's what we need, and then we have to tighten this Allen key. Oh. No need to torque. It's okay, as long as it's tight, it should be good. So guys, after the timing belt is done, we have to turn the pulley of 90 degrees and back. Make sure that it is on the right timing mark. Cover back. Perfect. Next thing we have to do is to reset the lights, that lights. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. That's how we do it. Clean, easy, without spillage of coolant. No need to drain the coolant. Quick and simple.